guys. Hey, don't shake the camera. Yeah, I'm cleaning the back freewheel up here on the Rad Mini 4. And I was doing the same here on the Lectric. Kind of just want to go over kind of how I clean up. Now I scrubbed this thing out, and I want to show you what I was doing here. Now I have these brushes right here. Now I don't have a link for these. I've had these actually for several years. But these are basically automotive brushes for scrubbing, the metal or aluminum. When you take a gasket off, you have, a soft but firm nylon brush. Then you have a brass brush right here, which is a little more firm. And then you have basically like a stainless steel. This thing's like really firm. I did not use this on here, but these are actually really good to have for getting inside the gears down here and just getting all the gunk out and everything else. And the softer one, the brass one here, I was using it to clean the freewheel, the sprocket up. Yeah, it's quite a bit on there. But I went through and wiped the chain down. And I used the brush on the chain as well, just by very simply, ow, what the heck? I get this had something cut my knee. But you sit here and just turn your crank and run the brush on that chain. And then of course, the brushes end up getting really dirty. You can soak the brushes like in a solvent and get that extra grease out of there. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lubricate this chain here. Here, let me bring you over here, better light where hopefully you can see what I'm going to do. I got this right here. Got my White Lightning lube. I'm going to go ahead and just drizzle a little bit on the chain as I'm rotating right down here. Yeah, you guys can see that, right? Not going to squeeze the bottle. Yeah, you can see it dripping down. But I'm just going to go ahead and just very carefully just do this right here. Maybe that should be more than enough. Wipe the top off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, my son has taken the Rad Mini into different areas. And there was a lot of caked up gunk, especially down here on the derailleur, on the jockey wheels. Down here at the bottom. And of course, using these brushes, you can get right in there with that, with these brushes here. You can see how dirty that is. I had chunks that were coming off the jockey wheels. So yeah, it's a good idea to keep everything clean on your drivetrain on the bike, guys. And the one thing I will point out too, some of that chain lube will drip down and like get on your rim or your tire. So what I do is I just prop the bike up, the kickstand, like on a book or a small block or something like that, to get the bike basically level, but enough to where it doesn't try to tip over. Yeah. when you're doing this. So yeah, that's kind of a little quick video there on cleaning your chain, your drive chain, and lubricating your chain as well. Then I just go ahead and let that lubricant soak in. Longer the better. Longer the better. You can do 2 applications if you want. You can go ahead and do 1 application and then wipe your chain off, basically, because this is a 2-in-1. It will clean your chain. But I already went through and used the brush on the chain and wipe the chain off, so I don't need to do this a second time. But yeah, very important. Keep your drive chain train nice and clean, guys. Okay? So I'll see you on the next video. You guys keep safe out there. Peace.